Matcha, a vibrant green tea powder, has taken the world by storm. From traditional tea ceremonies to modern latte creations, matcha proves to be a versatile ingredient. Imagine sipping on a warm cup of matcha, its earthy aroma filling your senses. The vibrant green liquid, whisked to a frothy perfection, holds the promise of sustained energy and focused calm. Unlike traditional green tea where leaves are steeped and discarded, matcha allows you to consume the entire leaf, maximizing its nutritional power. Whether you're a seasoned tea connoisseur or a curious newcomer, matcha's allure is undeniable. From ancient Buddhist rituals to modern-day wellness routines, matcha has seamlessly integrated into diverse cultures. Its journey from humble tea leaf to global phenomenon is a testament to its enduring appeal. Whether you're seeking a moment of tranquility or a boost of antioxidants, matcha offers a delightful and healthful experience. Let's uncover the secrets of this extraordinary tea and discover how it can become a cherished part of your daily life. Brewing the perfect cup of matcha is an art form in itself. Traditionally, matcha preparation involves whisking the powder with hot water using a bamboo whisk known as a chasen. This meticulous process creates a frothy, vibrant green tea that's both visually appealing and incredibly flavorful. The water temperature is crucial, ideally around 175 degrees Fahrenheit, to prevent bitterness and preserve the delicate nutrients. While the traditional method holds a certain charm, modern innovations offer convenient alternatives. Electric frothers and even high-speed blenders can effectively whisk matcha powder, creating a smooth and enjoyable beverage. Regardless of your chosen method, the key lies in achieving a well-combined mixture without any clumps of powder. Experiment with different techniques to find what works best for you. The quality of water used significantly impacts the final taste of your matcha. Filtered or spring water is recommended to avoid any chlorine or mineral taste that may interfere with the delicate flavor of the tea. Additionally, the grade of matcha powder plays a crucial role in determining the flavor profile. Ceremonial-grade matcha boasts a vibrant green color, smooth texture, and a slightly sweet, vegetal taste. Matcha's popularity extends beyond its unique taste and versatility. It's also a nutritional powerhouse packed with health benefits. One of its most notable attributes is its high concentration of antioxidants, particularly catechins, which help protect the body against cell damage caused by free radicals. These antioxidants have been linked to various health benefits, including reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Another key component of matcha is L-theanine, an amino acid known for its calming and focus-enhancing properties. L-theanine works synergistically with caffeine, found naturally in matcha, to provide a sustained energy boost without the jitters or crash associated with coffee. This unique combination makes matcha an ideal beverage for promoting focus and concentration, making it a favorite among students and professionals alike. Regular matcha consumption has also been linked to improved metabolism and weight management. Studies suggest that matcha's combination of catechins and caffeine may help boost metabolism and increase calorie expenditure. Additionally, matcha's ability to promote a sense of calm and focus can aid in reducing stress-related eating, further supporting healthy weight management goals. While enjoying a traditional cup of matcha is a delightful experience, its culinary potential extends far beyond the teacup. Matcha's earthy flavor and vibrant green hue make it a versatile ingredient in both sweet and savory dishes. From smoothies and lattes to baked goods and even savory sauces, matcha adds a unique twist to countless recipes. For those with a sweet tooth, matcha can be incorporated into cakes, cookies, and other desserts, lending its unique flavor and a beautiful green hue. Matcha ice cream and cheesecakes have become increasingly popular, offering a refreshing and subtly sweet treat. The possibilities are endless, limited only by your culinary imagination. Savory applications of matcha are also gaining traction. Matcha can be added to salad dressings, marinades, and even pasta sauces, adding a depth of flavor and a touch of color. Its earthy notes pair well with ingredients like sesame seeds, ginger, and citrus fruits, creating a harmonious blend of flavors. Experiment with different combinations to discover your favorite ways to incorporate matcha into savory dishes. The world of matcha is a vibrant and welcoming community, filled with enthusiasts eager to share their passion for this extraordinary tea. From online forums and social media groups to local tea ceremonies and workshops, there are countless ways to connect with fellow matcha lovers. Sharing your experiences, recipes, and knowledge can enhance your own enjoyment and introduce others to the wonders of matcha. Hosting a matcha-themed gathering can be a fun and engaging way to share your love for this versatile tea. Prepare a variety of matcha drinks, from traditional whisked tea to modern lattes and smoothies. Offer a selection of matcha-infused treats, both sweet and savory, to tantalize your guests' taste buds. Encourage your guests to share their own matcha experiences and recipes. You might be surprised by the creative concoctions and brewing techniques that emerge from a shared passion for matcha. Whether it's a casual gathering with friends or a formal tea ceremony, creating a space to celebrate matcha fosters a sense of community and shared appreciation for this remarkable beverage.